Welcome back to my channel Msquare Tech. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to configure TP Link Archer C20 router as C20 dual band router as a access point, which is AC750 wireless dual band router. Let's see. First of all, you just log in your router with login IP, or you can type here TP Link Wi-Fi.net. Then press enter. After pressing enter, login page will be appeared. Here you can put your router default username password. I am putting here admin and admin username password same. This username password is default. Okay, then close this option. From this menu, here you can see, first of all, you just go to open mode, operation mode. Here you can see the three modes. I just select access point mode, then click on save. Click on wireless 2.4 GHz. Here you can type your SSID. Wireless name type here. I am typing here Astaful Wi-Fi and press on save. After saving, then go to security. Here you can see disable wireless security. Just click this, select this option and go down and click on save. That's it. First step has been completed. Go to wireless 5 GHz, click on it, same as before, and retype here your SSID and type here and click on save option. I'm saving. After saving, just go to wireless security option, click on wireless security, just disable this wireless security and go down and save. Your configuration has been completed. You just go to DHCP. Here you can see DHCP server has been disabled. If you want to configure as access point mode, DHCP will be disabled automatically. Then before logout, you just recheck your settings. I'm just rechecking. This is disable. Okay. And go to status, click on it. Here you can see your configured status. Wireless has been configured as a access point. SSID has been shown here. Here you can see the SSID 2.4G and 5G and logout. After logout, if you configure your router as access point, your internet cable will be plugged in this option. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel.